We be a bloche for we be a kwamamo. A kwamamo. Ebi a wo shepo ni amadi abagana. Ebi a wo de ni amano eba takra de habo. Wana ube yino anas onya mukase mema amejo shotema America mechiao ata mechiao ata prempe mechiamu ni na nyame nhyiram ono ma amene wabusuafo nyina brother apel America mechiamu ni na London fo nyina mechiamu mentime mobo ame nhyiram ya bompa ya da wase nyankopon se na anwumrei oba bekasa ya ya ready okonkru ni wa wurade fo ahoɔden bra na memfanye wadwuma betena wakonwa so family pa bia ye na nam ho konkron so kasa kyerɛ yɛn nipa bia wo tie hya wonsa awurade ma memfiri ma adwene mu nkasa ama memfiri me nimdie mu nkasa na emom fra ho konkron ne utumi ne unimdie ne unyansam kasa kyerɛ yɛn hwe akra hyewdia ne monyam breseta anwuma nyina ase ye seta afa ne nomum wa Nazareth ni Yesu Kristo di mo awurade sanoma na juom firi no mu fam woni mo nyam nya kese na bon kwakwa amaye na so to nsafra ya nya ira ba ni mo nyam ka e wo sorosoro wo Yesu di mo jeme so amen
amen
ya me shira nya me ba onyankopon shira na onya kese ba bia wo message tie na tie niye the empire and they too Jame so amen.
Amen.
The empire. Bible no be huso. The empire. A recording tip so we. Jame so amen. Ya menyo kase na won pagya. Abusuafo. Aniema ba wiase no anu oden. Aniema aba wiase no anu oden pa ba bia wo bia tie message we na mo me de bia meka Bible na da wo no eye nyame wonhom me nyame amfama makuroma se me magi akini jame so amen
amen
ti same no obagi akini no menye Bible say do di akini bia no yare ti me menye Bible hu akini media ni sa memra meka sankyera ofa thank you one fa thank you jeme so amen
amen
dia minim ni sa me yasomafo dia urade aka eno na wo se me hwe na me di so enye ni pankyera kyera ene manya ana me ba ba kyera jeme so amen
amen
awen chana Yesu aba na eliama a free last 3 weeks ni na Revelation na me no gina. Be Revelation chapter 13.
Revelation 13.
E pasa me ka asem wo de kyerɛw.
Okwa asem.
Eno ye gina Revelation chapter 12. Jeme so amen.
Amen.
Eno ye gina Revelation chapter 13.
Okwa asem.
Na me sound wo ba kwa Daniel. Because Daniel any Revelation.
Ese.
Enye se asekora. Eye homa baako.
Nkwasem.
Sedi Nyankopɔn de na asem ma Daniel. Odi for Daniel no saa. Ana ode ma John Revelator.
Nkwasem.
Sawanka eniema ebeden. Ebeba. Jeme so amen.
Amen.
Na saa eniema na ebeba no. Anu ode.
Oh yes.
Kwa asori, okwa asori a. Kwa hwehwe nyame wonim die nkwa yawa enso enanumre na bi preach na meka awo maka se ka wo se yawa ensori bi wo wa omo teachings enu omo bi bia omo de kire omo nsori ma ya chinidie
nkwasem
asori bi te say Church of Christ asori bi te say azie e chinidie nkwa o and omo church members.
Oh yes.
Jeme so amen.
Amen.
Ti adia ba kwa mahunu no. Adia ba kwa mahunu no. Media no kwasam pa na meka. Jeme so amen.
Amen.
Because say okoye teachings bia. nyame frau wa frau bonsa wa kire na adwen
Okay.
jeme so amen
Amen.
wa kire na adwen de a kire ana ye de ye church ni enya ne sa bible ne say was me church
Bible say
jeme so amen
amen.
ti udia ye kohom na tie me ba bia wo
No question.
Revelation chapter 13 verse number 1
Revelation 13:1. Was it me hu aboa bi a was it aboa di kan no.
aboa odi kan
No question.
tio waka aboa odi kan a se wi ase ba ba kwa na wi ya emre na ye wo mu no wonyankopɔ bia niama so ede kira John jemeso amen
Amen.
se wan kira niama baba ene di atwam
No question.
na sam aniama no so no Daniel ahu bi da
No correct.
Daniel odifo Daniel ene nyankopɔ sa ebie sa aniama no so kira no aya empire yaka empire tesa memfa se ahiniye omuti every the whole world ahiniye ya ba 7 jemeso amen
Amen.
na sa ahiniye ni nyina Satan ene di mo hene
No question.
monsa wana eye ni nyina mu chief
No question. Chief inspector.
I am for now adeda sa empire na no nyina no Satan ne control won
No question.
jemeso amen
Amen.
yawo ebi te say Egyptian empire Egypt for empire di kan amen
Amen.
obi te say Libya obi te say Babylonian empire obi so te say Medo-Persia ana yasawa empire 5 no no the Greeks and now how many are from Russia
Alexander the Great.
jemeso amen
Amen.
what the anya abotre na tie me
No question.
message na me ma na hu hia me pa
Oh yes.
ya no ma na menya abotre ntie kirem na tie Revelation chapter 13 kan
Revelation 13:1.
kan
Was it aboa di kan?
aboa wodi kan
Na me hu aboa bi a wo men.
aboa wo mendu
Ani etire nson.
eni tire nson
Sa efri apomu asori.
sa mo ne fripum
Asori.
tie wakapo a enye pu kekew aya asase jemeso amen
Amen.
aya asase o
Oh yes.
aya asase jemeso amen
Amen.
asase awon sam na Bible na wasemi mu aboa
Ofri apomu asori ye.
satana kenka ma
Was na me hu aboa bi a.
aboa bi a
Wo men edu.
wa men ma akudu
Etire nson.
embe no a eye du no etire nkura akase sai
Edu. Kwasem pa.
jemeso amen
Amen.
nkura ma aku 10
No kwasem.
anasa my countries
Oh yes.
ma aku 10 ese jira ma ayemfo ma aku sa 10 kenkan
Okay. Ofri apomu asori.
sa aboa no hwe aboa ba aku okutatire ba aku nanso
Mendu.
ne me won so ne yasan
10.
aya 10 anu ofri pum ofri asase mu pie
Yes. Na etire nson so fri apomu mu sori.
tiao anu ati ni ti asaya ma aku sai 7 etire ne jira ma empires jemeso amen
Amen.
empire wo mo ba be wuru de wo we empire ni bi so ba be wuru ko
No kwasem.
ba be te sa Egyptian empire
Oh yes.
jemeso amen
Amen.
Egyptian empire
Yes.
hear me out Egyptian empire ayimfo mienu how many Israel for one
No kwasem.
woman of the whole world
Oh
no
yes.
this jemeso amen
Amen.
the whole world omudi na mechira wade ya bio sa de wo wade na omudi so Egypt awo ana your friend say civilization appear free ba e baaye awo anu omo start doctor awo anu omo start nurse awo anu omo start your friend say education soldier for ani your friend say just soldier police name na starting ewo Misiri
Ekwasem
Jameso amen Misiri na your friend Egypt no Misiri so ye nipa according to Genesis chapter 10 nipa di tisa nipa na chechere sa Misiri no na ni dia fra no ye Misiri Jameso amen sa nipa wa Misiri wa wo fike kenda asefuom tio na tia ni ye wo fike na busuam anasa na asefuom na tie pa tisa Egypt we na Egypt for so kuta aboso maako tan sa aboso no nipa nyankopon fa no so breaki sa aboso no your friend say Moses according to Exodus chapter 7 Exodus chapter 7 verse number 40 wama boso ni bini wodi akenka free 11 kura dio wama boso baako ni abakan ebi so ni ntutu me ebi ni wawo Jameso amen eti Egyptian fano so Pharaoh echana na ehema wawo eti yadai eda so onsa Awurade Nyankopon soma Moses sa wankwa Misiri abra wakwa Egypt no Awurade ma ne yansankire ni bi pomane akuta ne nsam na Awurade ka kyan sapato wode pomane to won ene da ne wowo Awurade ka kyan sa so ne bia na fa wo so ne bia no esa da ne poma ana Awurade Nyankopon ka kyan sa poma yi wode kwa Misiri the same pomane bi nso no Misiri fo akwamfo no follow akwamfo no so yadai eyisum ya wo two kingship ana na wo your friend say ewo Misiri and so many idea konya baako wo mudi Shatam empire ne kuta won wo mudi pa ana maso wo beti support Potiphar time ana ya told Joseph e ko Misiri the Potiphar time na ya told Joseph ko Misiri mo Shatam na Misiri for a empire a mo wuru de wo wa e ko mo ba aho ana mo de mani ba ya dai ayare seven na honum na modi mani ba dan aba kire wo mo doctors enso na Satan no mo wo de wo we ehwe ba bia Jameso amen tiam yo ti abasa Egypt for tama ya to Joseph did kwa Misiri se pa Satan wo hina no on your friend Potiphar wo akiri no ana your friend say Pharaoh so bye Jameso amen Pharaoh so yadai abaye ti sabram ya benya your friends I am for say two asatam no muru your friends say Misrim ti tamu anyame odi mamenka omabosum na makoma kotan ya mamu obi quotation
Exodus
7:11
na Pharaoh so frefra nyansafo no
Moses kwa Pharaoh anim Moses tam eye Pharaoh wakwa nanim no de pomane kwa ya ana de pomane to ho edane wowo ana Pharaoh so frafra na komfo ni bi se ahwe na sasa ya bosum ni bi kura wa ya wowo ya fra ne ba se ya pomane bi ya wowo ampani ampa wabo so ba ya no omo so do pomane ba to wo kenkan
na Pharaoh so frafra nyansafo
Pharaoh so frafra na nyansafo ene tafo ba
na won Misrim ose na won Misrim fa konfo so
wose na Misrim fa konfo so
won asumansa
won so de won sumansa
aye sara
won de won poma no so edane wo ni the same
won nyina ade won poma no toto
fam
na edane dane otwase
esa dane wo
na so Aaron poma no amene
wo ni nyina na se ne Nyankopon ba betu Egyptian empire na yɛdan agu wonim sɛ Egypt for empire no bɛkɔ fam na ɛyɛ Israel
no kwasem Israel
ɛkɔyɛ ɔfa so to yɛ ne sɛ woyɛ ɔhene na saa empire wodi so a Satan na wuru wakoma
no kwasem
because obasom bosom ti awurade Nyankopɔn yere ne ho emmia fa do akoma
yes
dada no sɛ deɛ bɛyɛ ɔbɛnya na adan akuno ahyɛ n'asefoɔ
na fara kuma primara
wama boa Egyptian empire na ekuta wɔ ɛyɛ snake ɛno so twere wɔwɔ to ɔmo doctors ɛna ɔmo ayɛmfo nyinaa wɔhyɛ kyɛ a wɔwɔ ɛna sie ne mu gyeme so amen wɔwɔ ɛna sie ne mu gyeme so amen aboso maako sae 10 wɔma bɛkan ɛyɛ ɔmo abosom ɛwɔn nsena saa yɛ ɔmo abosom pɔnkyerɛni saa yɛ ɔmo abosom eti so abɛwɛ a Mose yɛ bia na ɔmo akɔfa saa abosom na ɔyɛ pɔnkyerɛni de n'aba na ɔno so aba yɛ na adeɛ no bi so ayɛ dɛn aba but only saying one thing ɛno na nyame de gu saa Egyptian empire gyeme so amen hwɛ mɛkyerɛ wadeɛ Egypt civilization ɛhɔ ɛna starting education doctor lawyer law school ne wɔn nyina ɛhɔ ɛkɔ ɛfa so si dan ne nyinaa yɛ dan ɛyɛ hɔ gyeme so amen wɔse revelation ne sɛ na menwu aboa
a ɔwɔ emendu etire nson sɛ efira pomu aso
so etire nson no ɛyɛ yɛfa nsan empires ɛna etire du no so yɛ ahemfo no mɛbobɔ mu din ɛde akyerɛ wo tudia fasiwo afa second empire that is Libya tamwa onyankopɔn ma Israel etwa pokɔkɔ ni wie yam ana wɔsɛ da hanya Pharaoh nkoan ɛne ɔmakoma no ɔmkɔ ka kyerɛ Pharaoh sɛ nana enti wa yɛ gya nkrɔfo yi ɔmo som yɛ ama ɔmo kɔi nana yimfo na bɛsom yɛ biem gyeme so amen wɔsɛ ne saade a monsiesie ti ase na dada ana nyankopɔn destroy Egyptian empire ti wa destroy mo wie yam Libya 40 sɛ kim ana ɔmo so sɔre because no ɔmo so mo yɛ den ɛden meka asɛm akyerɛ wo bie Daniel bie da wode nyabotere meba bie Daniel chapter 7 ne to tio Libya for so sɔre Libya for wɔmasefo Libya asefo ɛne ayi yɛfa sɛ ayi eso Jacob ni eso ya ne family ni bi wɔn na ewuru Libya wɔn na tɛkyerɛ hɔ
Africa Libya ya
wɔn so wɔn aboa no yɛ ɔkɔdeɛ that is wisdom gyeme so amen nyansa afɛn so wɔ bia de wa otum kɔnkan wɔ afɛn so na matu wɔn san soro bia ti Libya for wɔn aboa ɛyɛ yɛ fɛn sɛ iga
wisdom
yɛ wɔ yɛ senso a wɔn ba bɛbɛdi di so pɛpɛsɛ ɛnɛ numere Bible na mene wusua no ewiase amabɔ
oh yes
ewiase amabɔ afɛ na matre empire wɔtɔ so tere na Babylonia empire wanyina Satan no odi so ɛyɛ Nebukadnezar wɔno so saa Nebukadnezar no so fi Nimrod
mu
asefuom saa Nimrod no so na tetere Babel according to your verse Genesis chapter 11 bie mam Genesis chapter 11 honya
Genesis 11:1
verse number 1
wase Babel abantenten na asase nyina asofo no ɛyɛ anokoro ɛkasa koro
ɛka kasa koro asekyerɛ ne saa mpayan wodi ka sɔre bie atwam tinenya kopa de separation Abato Montem.
Okay.
That is Babel, Kenkan.
We were to Quaco a Pueno.
A boy,
Who has a be was sin.
yeah, first you. Genesis chapter 10, verse number 8.
Genesis 10,
verse number 8.
Was in a cross, I will Nimrod.
Was in a course, I will Nimrod.
Or no, if I say your tomb for us as a
Someone, one of the empire, and Yahinian, one. San Nimrod, the war one. Nipa would take Kababa Yaken. Near friend Nimrod, San Nimrod, no son, one of the touch of Babel. And then I said, one of them. Abatechira kwa kwapim nyame nina ne so mo koto nyame ani agu jemeso amen ti abasa wasena kush awu Nimrod.
Yes, although you two for us as a
Nimrod na you two for us so
was as your bomb of four
was ye bomb of four
what to me
was what to me nyame ani
into wakase
o
bomb of four
what to me when nyame ani
I trust say Nimrod ni
was said ya what toso let us what teso to send Nimrod ni.
Yes, na hinian fiti ase no
was said na hinian fiti ase
ani Babel
enti sa Nimrod no na sefo ni bi ne Nebukadnezar enti Nebukadnezar so be sore abra salibia
eguya
empire ni guya sa Babylon ene sore ye.
Okay,
Jemeso amen.
Daniel 7 verse number 1 was say Babel hene be sasa
Babel hene be sasa
was say I say aheman na ho adi hunu
so
topic
Daniel na kasa no one na so sada ya nyame review
kwasempa
ana tiyo sa empire maako 7 no me kwadwa metia fidie so America kira wo metimi akasa sesi atwam
kwasem
7 ana abobo bana Donald Trump asore no tisa 7 no so no awo ani abenya third world war awolum na ntokwa ne baba dai ababa war kasia pa etwato sawa no so be start free your friend Russia Russia no so be empire da satam near from Iran Medo-Persia
kwasem
Jemeso amen entitio basasa ani afana Daniel wasana daya na se na niso ade wura wo hunu wa awurade woni kenkan
wase Babel hene besasa
edikan mo no afia edikan
Daniel so daye bi na ohunu ni tirima ni so ade e wa ne mpa so ana otworo daye no aka ni mu asem nyina eni emu atitiru wase Daniel fi asese mi hunu mani so ade ana
wase mi hunu mani so ade ana to
wase na hwe wase no mframa na etubai awa epokasi
asase no
yes na emu akase na epuefre
wase na mu akase maako nan
epuefre apunu mu
4 empires
yes
me baba kire wo emu akase enan
epuefre apunu mu
epuefre apunim
asono yi
wase esono saabo we
ana asono yi
ana so saabo we
na de odi kan te se jata
wase saabo na odi kan
te se jata
wa ya lion Jemeso amen sa lion no so no Babylonian empire wamo sembo eye lion jata Jemeso amen wa ya lion tio kenkan
na owon kwade ntaban
waso owon kwade ntaban
na me hwera kwesi sei wotutu ne ntaban no
ntaban no so yetu ba akosi left ana ba akosi right me hwaya kwesi sa
wotutu ne ntaban no
wo
ma no so firi fom
ntaban no ba ako ejina ho ema Libya ana ba akoso jina ho ma Egypt because Babylonian empire and the Babylonian into a two side in the day agu tentabane sisi saja tanachino ba ako jina ma de Libya ana ba akoso jina ma de Egypt Jemeso amen what's na me hwaya
yes wotutu ntaban
wo
mani free from
what's no mani free from
ana o mani jira ne na me no so say onipa
woni ba se kire Satan and Nebukadnezar according to Daniel chapter 4 verse number 20 as I say be mama Daniel chapter 4.
Daniel 4:28.
28.
Was so hene na dambo. Okay, the Daniel 4. Verse number 16 no. Was na akoma sachira na so onyo ni biem.
Daniel akoma sachira
se enye so nimpa die biem.
Anye onipa die biem.
No man abo akoma.
Ansa wa mana abo akoma. Ana Daniel chapter 7 ne so sai.
Was that the odi kan te se jata.
Was that the odi kan te se jata.
Kwa dia ban.
Kwa dia ntaba.
Ya kwesi se otutu.
Was ya kwesi se ye tutu ntaba.
No man so afri form.
Na ya man so free form.
No man jira na mienu so nimpa.
Ya man jira ejia na mienu so ti so.
No man onimpa akoma.
Wo wi ya Daniel na ya friend Nebukadnezar na. Nyam kopon man abo akoma na fadia. Obaba man onipa dia akoma. Jemeso amen.
Amen.
Afadia ye na freedom bom.
Edna sanza de si ahenie no so.
Esade na ba si ahenie so. Kenkan.
Wase da se. Abo afofro tia mi enu.
Abo na matu, mama nkyere wade. Babylonian Empire. Abo omaboa. Eye your friend say lion. Na matu. Entaba mi enu na esisi na chi no. Ba ko gina ma Libya. Ana ba ko so gina ma Egypt. Because Babylonian Empire and the Babetu Libya in the other. Eguya. Chasa ayini ne mienu ayadan agu. To omontimi yadan ansare biye. Jemeso amen.
Amen.
Kisa Babylon ayini na wase na ya man so free form.
Yes.
Asikire ne na another empire aba betu sai ne na yadan agu. Afatie me on. Ayini na nyame fa so bra Babylonian Empire asen eye Israel. But omuno munkuta empire. Yankopon do mokoko yankoa. According to your verse Jeremiah.
Yes.
Why you Satan no Israel so nye friend Sidikaya. Jemeso amen.
Amen.
Sidikaya. Ti Israel ekwa your verse nyame to wo mo. What the Babylon eye ntia ba e de ma Israel. E de tie mo 70 good years. And the 70 years, I am from Miansa and the Baba PA. How are your friends? Babylon. Babylon, Kwan, Omobedi Empire. Everybody we are singing now to me. I am from Akuma Kotere. Bako, and in the Nebukadnezar. Bako, no, I never Sasa. And the Bako, so Darius. Jemeso amen.
Amen.
Me pese numre. Me abia wo masa ewiase kwa wieye. Kisa Babylon Empire. Omo control Israel for 70 good years. Wase anu achi no.
Ose na hye. Abo afoforo tie me enu nte se osisire.
Abo afoforo to so me enu te se osisire.
Ogina hokọ efan biako.
Aha.
Otokoso.
Waso otokoso. Asikire nie. Someone was original to say Sicily Wamonso. Babylonian Empire, Tio, and what Babu.
Okay.
Another empire swapie. That is Medo and Persia. Jemeso amen.
Amen.
And then Omni from Iran. Iran from almost no more than Papa.
Share. Medo for.
Medo and Persia to me.
It's not Gabriel Bell.
Satan, why you swap what this one? Jemeso amen.
Amen.
Cyrus. Once in the Diba Conon. Now I am finished here too. And Darius, no, Miss Darius, Bacosa. Over the same Iran. I am Medo and Persia. I am here too now, carbon. Satan, Mommy, I never work. Jemeso amen.
Amen.
What mommy and wow, and I no control where. Tisa. Tinidia, I was saw them. No moon baby, I said then. Haka any pan, any pan fat. A small cancer, a soft for say. So for the Bible. Casa, say. According to Isaiah, was he actually never from Yankupon?
A man to a children.
Actually, a free young woman. And I'm not the Persian. Abua, almost you know me using your friend at your friends at Sicily. That is beer. And your beer, young more.
Be able to one in them. So was it beer?
And young. Sicily. Ya a Pumu Sicily.
No person.
And you what there that is Sicily. And you what quiet. Sicily Quabrafo and the Medon Persia, Mabuano.
No person.
Abuana so ban low. Dear Yamian Kankai.
Was say, Nam Padiami and such an enum.
And Padiami and Sa Sa Abuana symptom.
And then a symptom. What catch say?
And Padiami and Sanelli. Bako and Libya. Bako also Egypt. And a Bako son the Babylonia Empire. Because some of the Persian almost about the 2 year first say, I didn't can die at work. I'm gonna bear master. Jimmy so amen.
Amen.
Can
was a sudden dinam.
Tio, someone set a cat and so on running a massive journey. While Baba try our team for so sad. To some of them Persian massa. But you bet dinner will be a son.
Kum.
None never could try then.
Togus on Apache.
None of Togus in Nana said. I need for a best. One on the bear, I'm a for Friday. Abba. Jimmy so, amen.
Amen.
Many are no matter for Mutiame. Memma, men, my papa. I dear back open them here through. And then more. Sponsor, so dear, Kakrabia will be out.
Oh, yes.
I would have to be a more.
No, correct.
Yes, sir. War for Unya. And then come a bonk, and Numibia. Go from them, Cotobanchi. Camilla and Camilla Waffle. A ban in the tunnel, pam, a ban in the tunnel. Kebab woman.
One for her life.
Mammy, gone, papa, gone, nana, gone. And Kebilla Waffle. But what can you mean some? Yam what? Quasianum said. Now, Ghana from penny for the hour. I am one. No, be a Ghana for Bafan to my perfra. Okay. Now, Momo Antoma. Montoma shall get him. Boninti. Says a penny, Yakurana, watching Chirapin. Who shall Sadiana? Masha. I think you Penny Tiaquala. And I watching Tiapin. Woman in one scale.
Yeah, penny. Yes, we.
Jamaso, amen.
Amen.
And you have someone. Bible sword did the cancan.
Was he yet? Wasn't Medicare? Meshay. A boy for the sauceable. Was a boy for one entity. Some Babylonian Empire. Almost the other Babylon. Comedian Persia. A good. Madam Persia. A good. Number 1. Egyptian Empire. And a Dicacoi. Second, Libya. Third, Babylon. Jemeso, amen. Amen.
4 for no.
Medo Persia.
Jemeso, amen.
Amen.
Almost so the young. And it says, another your first Empire Saba.
Wasn't it? We yet, Michelle, I don't know. A bomb for this possible.
A bomb for accessible.
None a cheap and no manta by 9.
Chill, nothing tabai, a 4. And tabai 9 as in ye. Medo Persia, Egyptian Empire, Babylonian Empire, and Libya Empire, and no 4 nurses in a chino. Jemeso, amen. Can
no money to me.
Waba. Yeah, can say was it? A one will a 9. Now, or money to me. What my son wanted to me? Was it? Mede osena mede hwe ara anahwe anadwani da so anisade hunu osena hwe aboa bi otoso 9. What do verse number 7 no? Verse number 7.
That is Greece.
Meba what dia meba? Verse number 7 mention Bible. Okay. Revelation says 7. Was here till mede Mejesha Anadu.
Anadu.
Abo toso nine. Ani wuye wuna nwanwa. Na waya dem brosonie. Wa wadade ase. Thank you. That is Greece.
Greece.
Jemeso amen.
Amen.
Greece you know. Wamane Russia phone.
Russia phone. Ne say dade.
Hey, wamo se dade wano abo na kuta ono so ono no. Wamo se boya tiger. Jemeso amen. O say wa lion. Any o leopard. Any o tiger. Leopard ni dia ne ho sisi dot no. What tip or America power chin. Anna I tiger and so no ono so ni take a siapa. Anna ne wona ya te say zebra. Anna lion no as a ne kala ne ya. Sebo ni leopard no. Lion no ne dia ni take a kraka oboma hu. Wano. Jemeso amen.
Amen.
But sir, your first side that your first side. Greek funny dia. Wamomo dia ni a tiger.
Tiger.
Jemeso amen.
Amen.
Na emobo nyameba. Wakuta tira 2 tira 4. Anu wasa kuta entabai 4. Tira 4 na ase kireni. Ase chansa anyam for 4. Abasa yedai asori. Sayam for 4. Awo baby afia dan efre emutu efri Italy ana mutu so free your brother America Jemeso amen se ania wo mu no aya ania ka se Roman Empire atwam se the whole world aya America Jemeso amen ya kenkan
wase owadade ase akese
wadade ase akese
odidi kekemu
sawa no so didi kekemu
de na petan kaye no
wia no sade ne nan apetan kaye
na asono no ane emu
ni nyina
no o mendu
wasawa man makudu
na me
makudu re nie mamen kenkan kire
okay
number 1 Egyptian wamo omayemfu na etu Pharaoh ana your friend say Potiphar and on fatuo number 2 say Oba Babylonia Empire no mu nso a yewo Nebuchadnezzar ana Belshazzar ana your friend say Darius wo mo so yes 3 plus 2 na nya say 5 okay ana Oba your friend say Medo Persia na Medo Persia na also near one liberty say Cyrus and you what you liberty say your friend say one so Darius one so ho and take come here 7 Jemeso amen answer na wo wi a
Greece
what about Greece Alexander the Great one so to so assign H answer na wo wi a Roman Empire that is Pope one mo kura no one mo de no na ya Romeo Debbie and no nko Romeo and Romeos. Woman should do no, and to woman should too. And some now we are about America. Jemeso amen. Me pesa me Kenya me asam chira wo nwumre. Empire na twitwamo. Say America fo na aba. Womo bai kura ate, womo no.
No kwasem pa.
Womo hye enokura Bible ne beka me ankasa menka kenkan.
Wase na menhye men no.
Menhye men.
Wase na hye.
Hye.
Abenketo abi free.
Abenketo ano enagina ma Italy. That is your first Roman Empire. Abenketo abi pie Freddy.
Eno no entem.
Eno sa esema akoma fo no ntem.
Na aka no amen no mu miansa asetutui.
Swam anka ne ma miansa na hedai atutu. Let us say your first Italy your first Egyptian Empire, Libya Empire, Babylonian Empire, Wasan. Kura wa muntu mi sari biem. Sawo ya so ni nyina ba Africa. Just a Babylon kwa. Eno so yaka Babylonian Empire wuni ma bi kro. Kuwait. Eno sa Lebanon.
Na different.
Jemeso amen.
Amen.
Mama so baba ya mpa ya twam. Kenkan.
Wasi na aniwa etiso nipa niwa.
Chie o aniwa.
Etiso nipa niwa.
Aniwa na se kire ni. Hwa America for ayi no dora no. Hwe se aniwa bi o ma si da bia ni se. And ani back one eye. Epiam. Aya boso. What's sa ade na fifi sa yin ntem na phone 3 ni tutu ye.
Wasi aniwa etiso nipa niwa.
Aniwa etiso nipa niwa. Ewa aben no.
Na anu akeka nsam.
What's na anu akeka nsam kase.
Wasi na me de hwara ko sisi o sisi.
Me saya ko sisi o mo sisi adwa.
Na obi a wadi na betenase.
Abetenase.
Na tade ko wasi.
That is Christ. Enti afena ni ababa wu Yesu Kristo.
That's right.
Sa Greece Empire ni twam no. Jemeso amen.
Amen.
And Greece Empire no mo so ni afena Olympio. Ewiem atumfo ne ba ko no. And then no my Olympic game. One more sour Olympio, a fair non fast from Mobusuni. Nipa no maternity, no money bobo.
Yeah, awesome.
Umuchani party. And this are your first side. Why your mobile Russia? I yes, sir. And your ordinary ball. And your boss on some and the Massa Russia phone
celebration.
What would they celebrate to my doors? Shut up, no, the party in a bubble. Because Sam Paya no me a great. One more Kumnipa, Alexander the Great. One the Kumnipa, a friend who tells you, I, almost a share. What Kumnipa now will never be a munkum. What the bonus, that is Russia. Jemeso, amen.
Amen.
And to be passa. Usia dia wa ha.
No kwasem pa.
Sa etire num. Etire 9. Enu ni gina ma yini efo.
Yini efo.
Aba be sore.
No kwasem.
Kenkan.
Wase na mehwara kwesi se osisi adwa. Obi a wadi na pi betras.
Wo that is God.
No kwasem.
Obi a wadi na bebre.
Aba betira
konwa na so.
Shade ya wase sutirama.
Yesu Kristo no according to Revelation chapter 1.
No kwasem.
Ya biye. Dia na Yesu ya na hu hia me.
Revelation 1.
Me ode nyabotre bia Bible na I make ya why fast verse number 12
Revelation 1:12 wajefo no ni swade hu
kenkan
wase na medane mani sam no kwhwe ani e kasa kire wase na medane me hu no me hu sika kana bia
so
na kana bia no fifiri no me hu nimpa bi ote so nimpa
ba ote se nimpa ba
wa shata de you
ansa wa kire chata de Wasata de you.
What is Sika Boss of Bonnet?
Wasadi Sika Boss of Bonnet?
Tell me what is said.
What is so down if it is such a man? The need to say Jaframa. What's in the need to say Jaframa? The night to say I want to fight outdoor of Funum. And the net to say and so the net to send strawberry and so one in the farm. Why you want Daniel chapter 7.
Wasn't new what is so down to you?
I saw Babaka. As I have voice of revelation said it to me. And now she said the same Jimmy Back. And what is so down if it are?
No, or from around. Now, or say, now in town when I'm no, I or Jerry from Uncle.
What's in a new padium? A ja Franam Ed. No,
just one free and no
free and number
was a pempum son. And pim do
and Timmy Bisa. The whole one year some
for Jesus.
Born some years to Christo near a bosom. Why party a bondi? That is Christ. Thank I.
Wasn't what trans is all the watering.
What about the water will be a woman?
Na osana me de hwe ara eno na asama kese a aya abanka se nti me hwe ara kwesi se wokuma boa wo se no honam
Jemeso amen wokuma boa no Roman Empire ababeshem yakum ya France ai lion na ofri ya France Russia afa Roman Empire ena eba wono so ba ya wo ba betu Christopher so sa kenkan
wasana me de hwe ara wɔsi ano na asama kɛse a ɛfa ɛba no ho wɔsi na mu akaayɛ no so wɔkye wɔn tumi nanso wɔhyɛ wɔn bere ɛne dɔm sɛ wɔn kwan nan nso nkoduru wɔsi na mede hwɛ ala anadwo ni nsuade hu obi a ti sɛ onipa ba ɛnam ɔsoro mununkum ba oduru deɛ wadi na bebree kyɛn
Yesu Kristo tia no
yes wadi na bebree kyɛn Wamane penchane ni. Wano wadi tumini ya nimonyama.
Wadi tumini ya nimonyama.
Yani ahinie manasa.
Yani ahinie manasa.
Amai. Enkrofone akasa wo.
Entisa. But all over the world. I was here for Yesu di nye Muhammad.
Yes.
What ya tina?
Tumi ya da tumi ya rinka muda.
Masa Muhammad the man kwao.
David.
Only Jesus Christ alone.
Only Jesus. Nothing else.
What's the what's the din napi? Kenkai.
Okay, ono na wadi 2 million monyam ya hinie.
What's 2 million monyam ya hinie?
For the man sam.
For the man dada.
Yeah, enkrofone kasa nyina som no. Na ni tumi ya da tumi ya rinka muda.
Thank you.
Hinie nso ya de eresada.
Enshada.
Wase na meda de. Ehunhun buma no mo honam mu.
Wase na.
Na mani swade hu no ha me.
Na mani swade hu so ha. Kenkai.
Na me twepiri wona wagina.
Wase na me twepiri abofo na o mugina mbako.
Ana me bisa ye mu no.
Bisa le se.
O ka tira me se. O ma me hunu no ma no. Ne nkyira se ni. Emu akase a. Oya
thank you.
Aye ahemfo ba na ya. Wo frifra asase so aso de agina. Na osoro ni no. Awon tefo be fa henie no.
E be fa henie.
Wo nya henie ni dada.
Enti se yai. Ani agina so.
Kwasam.
Wakasa kura ni atunagu. Yakasi ajiga atuma Kristo fo timi sore. O mani mutumi sore se empre.
Kwasam.
Jemeso amen.
Amen.
Wo mo so baba di aso.
Kwasam.
Kenkan.
Na okronkron na ho tefo be fa henie no. The one I hinted it down or something. I am a person who no credit. I found where Toshanai. Toshanai, so no Casana dear. And we are who brought you. Set aside idea. Or you, dear. Then the border. I called the oh, did you come? What did you come? What was said in a pinchankaya? Then it till the answer no any men you know. For free piano, and you to do everything to free. I buy no one you are. And I'm not a cancer. You shall ne ese or say also ese the first word dear. What's na me shall can abano no and I will take for the diaco.
Swamp answer no the entutu. That is Roman Empire.
To me I will take for
any yai. Message you know. I don't form a tamaso. That's not swamp was and no the entutu.
Then I will take for the diaso.
What's in the near will take for diaco? That is Roman Empire. Tisa your first side. Sa ay popu. Woman ya sofo. Woman ya hemfo. Woman na Roman Empire omuru.
Kosi say.
Kosi say.
What did not be the ba?
What did not be ba?
Lord the atemu.
What the atemu?
I'm also in a hotel for no.
Sa. Revelation chapter 13. Remember na ebra.
Revelation 31.
What's one man saying also?
Revelation 31.
31.
What's up with the can?
I was sent here 2 hours.
No question. We just said 3 hours and 2 hours. No question.
So okay, yama wa yan support.
No question.
Can.
Was it a boy the can? Them who are brought 1 man do. A man do any transfer. If the promotion, if you promotion, how much
do Abu Boniti.
Na abushudi so wani tire ho
abushudi that is Satan ni din what you asia Monsam Sabgobinata edin Satan edin doso Monsam di bi wa escape wasaya medra wudini
secret name hu da
what did bro but Monsam Lucifer any dey ni Monsam Lucifer
Satan
and no amount for him near Craniaca will be. Point something back on Chatting up at the football's wrong. Chatting up Sabgobinata 91 Casa, your fresh, your fresh, my bet, Massa, my bet in your part of Satan
to withdraw Christians.
Some to your sosa, a Christopher sosa. And the Pentecost in Nikula, no time and bet. What?
Kwasempa.
Adia Yansia, Methodist in no time and batch. Assemblies in no time and batch. And no bit to be fresh, saw the mother, Chelsea in Real Madrid.
Before match.
Real Madrid in Barcelona. No question go. When you saw someone, somebody munyam. Knock out to Naya on somebody munyam.
Yes.
And to say, what movie football now? And that's what Mama Capona, when you know football is a part of Satan. And nothing will be to me, look at your friends, President Comfortan. A class sports stadium. Shenipa Wuya 160 May knife, look at football. Swallow. Look at never.
That's a work and
what do you tell?
Hey, Tottenham
football. At the football, so hey,
Papa no, Mazay and Silam, so do you follow?
Jemaso, amen. And tell all the she said, Yamia Samuno. Remember, I'm a young pong. Exchange Yamia, my metwas.
Yes, but trust.
Jemaso, amen.
A million woman in power.
Mama Tia Brotilla. What bit him first or the knock of her ball? Usama do atama, I suffer maintain them team. As some American fatto to him. What was said about saying and Sanibian? There be Jemaso, amen. Come and tell me the cup for saw them for her ball. Give me the press at 6 officers. So for Yacha or so Yacha, Yanapona. Yeah, but I saw for now for her ball. And the Kukumbaja and I saw for her. I said, what was some Americans are correct. So for my maybe dark on them. Now, your program. What does I Kukumbaja, Maya, Ganga? Yes, Bakubi so this. Maya said, Amaya. You take you home. Nadoli. Swamp. Just Satan, every hour. Oh, you. Oh, many baby, I say, call. And some penny for a bomb. I saw for be a bomb. What you saw penny in the quack when you buy room. Nisi continue, friend. Everybody, we are more than 1 year. We used to them so, amen. Amen. I was fortunate about to us. Everybody, 1 year, can see a fancy to a commercial near Mumpai. Yada was your concun, send them in Ray. Ababa said, the Monyam count, nine sending him dear. If we were at the Meda was sick. So do Yansan one more day. At dear mammy, and the Monyam come. I was so. One boy you can come for. And you have one from no more demon now. What do you want Monyam to me? So any Monyam come. We used to them so, amen. Amen. Yameba Meslau. God bless you. Ye Yamwa, Edia Boa, radio no. Ye Yamwa. And yes, I major preaching, Meslau. Mijina Banti preacher, Kakrana, the Bamana Noa. And Okrobidu and was said, Dia Tamoa. And she had the young woman here. Jemeso, amen. Obitim can yearn tickets. Timeslam Kakrabia Benya, brochure for Kakrabia, Boame Debia 2 million. A Quabijam in San Fasua. The Biawaje. It may come in Jenny 1 day. Mitiabum Bua week. Sinamo Kakrabia Benyabian. Monfan support me. Everybody Islam. No one yam kase. We yes to demo. Jemeso. Amen. Amen. God bless you.